OpenAI is reportedly seeking a valuation of up to $90 billion. That would triple its valuation from earlier this year. The company behind ChatGPT is in talks with investors about a possible share sale. All of this according to the Wall Street Journal. Joining us now, Ann Barry, Threadneedle Ventures founder, very familiar with the private markets and these types of valuations. Does this feel like a shocking number to you? I don't know, given the enthusiasm that we've been seeing around generative AI this year. It's kind of like, okay, this makes sense, I guess.
Hey, I mean, I think that's right, Julie. Am I shocked? No. Am I surprised that it's come back so soon to raise more capital, given that we just saw what feels like a short time ago earlier this year, the Microsoft infusion? The valuation uplift, I think this is roughly triple from where OpenAI last raised capital. That is assuming an enormous amount of value creation in a really short period of time. So I say, am I shocked? No. Does the air feel a little bit thin at this valuation after so short a time? Yeah, maybe.
Well, that was going to be my next question here, because obviously OpenAI is the sort of biggest and loudest player in this space right now, but it is certainly far, far from the only one in the private market. So does that suck up capital from other potential entrants, or what are you seeing in the private markets right now? Is there enough enthusiasm that we are seeing other kind of air thinning valuations, if you will?
Well, Julie, you and I have talked about private markets for a long time, and here's what I think is really interesting and different about investments into AI specifically. If you take a look at the biggest deals done in AI over, call it, the last 18 months, whether it's Anthropic yesterday being announced, the Amazon infusion, whether it was Microsoft going into OpenAI earlier this year, whether it was Salesforce, Google, NVIDIA going into Hugging Face, what have all of those things got in common? We're not hearing the names of the big traditional private market players like the big venture capital firms. We're hearing about the balance sheets of public companies, Julie. So what I think is happening right now is a level of competition with the private markets for AI that we haven't seen in quite a long time.